You know that moment. The conversation is going well. She's laughing, you're feeling good, and then nothing. Your mind goes completely blank. The silence hits, and suddenly everything feels awkward. You scramble for something, anything to say, but the more you try, the worse it gets. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Running out of things to say has nothing to do with being boring. It's a mistake you're making without even knowing it. And in the next 5 minutes, it's fixed. Here's what's going on in your head during a conversation. Half of your brain is listening to what they're saying. The other half is already panicking about what to say next, both at the same time. And your brain can't handle both perfectly. So it does what any computer does when you open too many tabs. It freezes. That freeze, that blank moment, that's not you being dull. That's your brain doing too much at once. But here's the part nobody talks about. Sometimes the silence isn't your fault at all. Sometimes you created it yourself without realizing. Here's what happens. You're talking. The other person is about to say something. They're forming the thought in their head. But you keep going, filling every gap, not leaving them space to get the words out. And then their thought is gone. Now they have nothing to say. You have nothing left either. Silence. You didn't run out of things to say. You talked so much you killed their side of the conversation too. Two simple things. First, stop trying to fill every silence immediately. 2 seconds of silence feels like forever to you. But to them, you just look calm, unbothered, in control. Here's the thing most guys don't know. The guy who panics and scrambles to fill the silence, he loses. The guy who sits in it comfortably, he wins. Silence isn't the enemy. Your reaction to it is. Stay calm in it, and suddenly you're the most dominant person in the conversation. Second, ask one thing and stop talking. Not two questions. Not a question and then your own answer. One question. Then give them the space to answer it. When you stop carrying everything, they naturally start carrying their half. And now you're not running out of things to say, because they're giving you things to respond to. You were never boring. You were just in your head too much. Stop thinking. Start listening. Give the conversation room. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.